I've come from Ballymena. I live in Ballymena, and I feel like it was good choice for me because I really liked science at school, and I really liked technology as well. But mostly like science, maths, and understand how things work and how things operate. And that was very intriguing about me with engineering, because with engineering, you're learning about the different things of like different machinery and different robots. Like robots was something I never knew about, and I started to know about them. And there were so many things. It's so broad that I could learn a little bit about everything, and it was really enjoyable for me. And it broadened my horizons a wee bit with my science background. In terms of the world skills, well, I did my foundation degree here, so all of my modules for a foundation degree, there was like engineering CAD and CAD CAM, which was really useful for world skills, because for it, in world skills, you were making parts and solid parts as well, and using some of the software that we had learned through those modules, engineering CAD and CAD CAM, was really helpful and really insightful, because if you had never used them before, they were also really easy to work with, especially like there were some apprentices working with us who had never really used the software before, and it was easy enough for them to learn more. And as well, we did an industrial robotics module, which really brought me into the world of automation, and it taught us about how to program robots, how robots worked, what kind of things would be used with robots, creating cells, understanding what's needed for use of robots, and things that you can do with them. And really that helped with world skills, because a lot of it has so far been creating cells, understanding what you need for it, the different pieces and equipment that you can do with your cell, and different operations that you can do within robotics in itself, which has been really interesting. At the minute I'm at university in Magee, at Ulster University, and I'm doing mechanical manufacturing engineering, and it was really brought on after doing my foundation degree, and with it I'd like to learn more and maybe go into either a job, or if I would like to stay in education, maybe do a master's in robotics or automation or manufacturing in itself. But it's really given me the opportunities within it that I can expand and learn more about what I want to do whenever the time comes. Because I had come from a very theoretical background, the college has given me a lot more practical skills and hands-on opportunities, and there's been so much different types of learning here that has really helped me, and I think a lot of people would really enjoy it.